clouds right now and the rain moving in. You said it's going to be heavy at times.
It is. So it's pretty steady right now over the metro area and the valley. You know, all day long we got this break. It was just dumping and dumping over the coast. So now it's finally swinging through, and it will swing through much quicker than it did for coastal areas. So we won't see nearly as much rain as they did, but I think we could get a good ½ inch or more out of this as we head towards tomorrow morning. Look at Astoria. I mean, this area just got nailed. Many areas between the northern end of the coastline back down towards even Tillamook, picking up between 1 and 3 inches and over 3 inches again since midnight last night. And you can see it's trying to clear out a little bit, and it will be a much drier day by tomorrow. Meanwhile, here in the Portland metro area, the winds have picked up. Right now, gusting near 30 miles an hour, 47 degrees after highs today in the low 50s. It feels like 39 thanks to those strong winds, and of course the rain's coming down, so that'll add to the chill a little bit too. But look at this. It's not going anywhere anytime soon, but a convenient time for it to come because we don't have that many cars on the roads, and by the time we get to tomorrow morning, most of this is going to be moving on out. So you can still see a few leftover showers along coastal areas, but the back edge of that front is certainly approaching, and so we'll start to clear all this out as we go through early tomorrow morning. So here's how it's looking as we go towards midnight. We'll occasionally see these heavy showers roll through, and then we could see another wave of energy by the time we get between 2 and 3:30 in the morning as this front continues to make its way to the east. By the time we wake up tomorrow morning, most of it should be out of our hair. It will bring in more rain, unfortunately, for the Cascades, but by the time we get to the back edge of this, I think we may be able to finish it off with a couple of inches of snow above 4,500 feet. So still wet, slushy snow, but it looks like we will have that chance to at least finish it off with some snow. Going into your Friday afternoon, look at this. This is approaching the noon hour, and we're looking at skies clearing out, mainly dry conditions. There's a slight chance for a stray shower or two along coastal areas, but a good chance that we could see some sunshine tomorrow. So Friday not looking bad at all. So we'll have some lingering showers early on in the upper 40s. We top out in the low 50s with partly to even mostly sunny skies at times. By the time we hit the evening hour, though, clouds start to roll back in, and we get ready for this next system that's going to be approaching to bring in yet more wet weather as we head into the weekend. So here's how it pans out. Friday afternoon, we're dry. We're getting some sunshine going. By the time we get towards 6, 7 o'clock, here comes the clouds, and that is going to be from that system that moves in. And by the time we get towards 11 o'clock midnight tomorrow night, so if you have late night plans, be prepared. You're probably going to get wet. We'll have showers developing. We'll have snow showers for the Cascades. This low approaches by early Saturday, and we'll continue to see those showers come down at times with more mountain snow for us, and snow gets all the way down to all levels, down to the passes. So this means even ski bowl as we go through the day Saturday, we'll be able to take advantage of some of the snow and the colder air that will be moving in, which will be good news. It'll be a great weekend for skiing. For your Friday, highs in the low to mid 50s up and down I-5 tomorrow, and again we dry things out before the rain moves in tomorrow night. Low to mid 50s for coastal areas. We could see some sunshine, but there will be that slight chance for a stray shower to pop up. Central Oregon, upper 40s for Bend, low 50s for the Dalles, and then out to the east we'll top out in the upper 30s, and we may see a little bit of rain and snow for the mountains out across far eastern Oregon before that moves out for the second half of the day. So your 7-day forecast, a mainly dry one for Friday. Rain chances move in overnight. By Saturday, it will be wet at times. It'll be breezy at times, but look at the numbers. They come down upper 40s and then down into the upper 30s Saturday night. Sunday, not a whole lot of rain around, so the weekend looking better for Sunday if you want to stay dry, because I think we'll have hardly any rain around. Monday looks completely dry, upper 40s, and then it turns wetter after that. So some pretty decent weather ahead.
Yeah,
with some rain in
mild but
between.
wet.
Yes, exactly.
All right, Kristen.